Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make bracelets with this. If you want to know where to get this is at Target or Walmart or something. But, so first, some of the colors are not in here because I've already used them. Let's use purple and blue. I'm going to give you guys a step-by-step thing. It's really easy once you know how to do it, but yeah. Alright, so first you have to do this, like turn it into an X, and then you have to put another one on top, and then do that. And then you keep doing this. And then you can change colors. And it's really easy when you start doing it. But, yeah. And you could just keep going. For a ring, you would do this, and then you would take this end and this, and then tie it up together, and then you can just, there, it's a ring. But instead of tying it, you could just use these. These are like little S's. They help with putting, see, they look like this. They help with putting the bracelet thing together, like the rubber bands together. They also have these C's. I don't like using the C's because they're kind of difficult for me, but I really like using the S's. And then there, you have your own ring. For this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.